Hi all, so I'm again here to present this topic, that is how we can copy messages from one message file to another in AS400. So we have message files in AS400 where we store the messages with respect to the message ID, and we can copy the messages from one message file to the another. So how we can do that, let's see. So let's first create a message file using command create msgf. So let's give it a name msgf1. Just press enter. Object this msgf1 type star msgf created in library this. So let's see msgf1 work object on this. So the type of this object is star msgf. We can use gsp msgd msgf1. So we can display a particular message from here by mentioning the range here, but there are still no messages on this message file. Let's add some message. Add msgd msg 0001 msg f1 messages, say let's say error. We can provide security level, severity and other things. Let's keep it as it is. So if I do it now, I'll be seeing the first message ID msg0001. While this, we can display the message from here and other things like all of the above information. We can also have a look on the messages stored in this message file using work msgf1. Just take 12 option here. We can see all the message IDs. So here we can provide msg 0001 as well. We can directly provide the message ID to see that message ID details. Now let's create another message file. Create msgf msgf2. So work msgf msgf2. So if we do 12 here, we are not seeing any message IDs here. We see msgf1, we can see there are message IDs available. So there is only one message ID available. Let's add one more message ID to that. Let's say error2. If I take option 12, so you can see there are two message IDs available in this message file msgf1. Just now the topic is how we can copy messages from one message file to another. So there is a command merge msgf. Just take f4 from message file msgf1 to message file msgf2. So here it is star none. We can also specify the message IDs here. So let's copy all of them and we can specify the omit message IDs here. So let's just press enter. Now if we do work msgf on msgf2, we will see both the message IDs are copied to this message file msgf2. Just delete them. Now just use this command again to select only message ID MSG0001. Now let's see what message IDs are copied. So only that message ID gets copied from the message file 1 msgf1. So just delete that again. Again use this merge msgf command to copy star all message IDs. We can specify multiple message IDs by taking plus here, but just mention star all here. And we can specify the omit message ID. So for example, there are 1000 message IDs and we want to copy 999 or 998, so we can specify those two in omit. So because 998 would be a huge list to specify here in the select clause, so we can mention that. For example, I am specifying message 0001 as omit. Just remove together, have been merged. Just see. So we must have MSG 0002 gets copied. Let's. So that's what I showed you. I have given the demo of, that is copying messages from one message file to another in AS400. So we have command merge msgf, which we can use to copy the messages. So that's all in this video. Thank you and have a nice time.